This guy made $350,000 in profit last month selling wands to wizards. And I know this probably sounds strange to you, but this is not clickbait. Okay, the details and facts that I'm going to be providing you about this Shopify store seller are going to bamboozle you, because this person actually created this not so attractive store on Shopify and used that store to sell wands to all these Harry Potter fans out there. And he sold these wands for a pretty hefty price. They go off for around $100 to $50 to $60, okay? And when he sold them, they made a great profit margin, and this person even created a blog for himself, okay, where he told you that he's being modest when he says $350,000, which basically means he even sold more. Now, how did he create this successful Shopify store? You know, many people nowadays go onto their Shopify and they're killing themselves for plans. Like, what do I go with? Which plan is perfect for me? What roadmap should I take? What's my niche, etc.? Now, this person, I'd say, summarized it the best when it comes to a Shopify store, because when you see this person's story, you can actually tell on the main facts that he gathered for his store. So we're going to be going through all of this, so please do make sure to fully watch. Now, to start things off, this person first of all told us that, you know, this person started off with a Shopify store with the niche of Harry Potter. Now, as we know, that Harry Potter is a huge franchise in the world, okay? There's novels, there's movies, there's plays, a lot of it, okay? And out of all the Harry Potter, you know, films, the most, I'd say, attractive part of it is the wands, okay? Now, the wands are something that's pretty sacred to a wizard, and all these Harry Potter fans out there would kill for a good looking wand, okay? They would want the Elder Wand if they want to. So this person basically created a store called Flaming Wand, okay? Now, the Flaming Wand basically gives you these different wands that just look just like Harry Potter's. They give you a whole cover. They give you this light up stand, as well as some warranty cards and a whole lot more. Now, as we can see, this person has an Harry Potter obsession, which got the ideas to sell these cheap wands. And as you can see, once he created this store, he got an analytic of these many visitors, which is 121,000 visitors in 1 month, which is absolutely crazy. So what he did was he took these wands off of AliExpress, okay? He drop shipped these wands. He made their cover design look much more attractive and much better, and then he sold it on his Shopify, okay? Now, that is incredible, because you can easily drop ship products from other places. So in this case, let's say this person used AliExpress, right? So how do you drop ship from AliExpress? What you're going to do is you're going to go over to Add Apps. Once you go to Add Apps, you're going to go over to your Shopify App Store. And once we come over to our Shopify App Store, what happens over here is you can basically go over to an app called Deezers, okay? Now, simply over here in the top, you're going to search up Deezers for yourself. And once you search up Deezers, as you can see, it gives you Deezers AliExpress dropshipping. Now, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to install it, because Deezers is totally free when it comes to your dropshipping ventures. And just like this, you can easily import any products. So in this case, this person imported this wand, okay? And as you can see, it says, I personally make roughly around $1,000 in sales from 500 visitors by selling a $50 product with 5% conversion rate. However, he says that this niche is actually much better, okay? Because it targets die-hard Harry Potter fans. So you can see that this person basically chose a niche that was going after a fan base that is so huge that it actually makes good sales. So what you need is a good niche, a good idea, and a niche with a good fan base. So, you know, I could give you some examples. Like, you can make some Taylor Swift merchandise, okay? Because Taylor Swift has a huge fan base. So you can just create these custom merchandises for guitars, shirts, trousers, etc. Then you could go with some fan base on a show like let's say Breaking Bad. You can create stuff for that, etc. But obviously you're gonna have to choose a product from that show that is actually very unique and people would go for it. So from Breaking Bad, you could go from something like a gas mask, or you could go with something like an RV keychain or something like that. So just choose a niche, and in that niche choose a unique product. And at the same time, as you can see, this person actually created a Instagram page as well to actually go ahead and market their product. So they're basically showing the product off to the world. They're showing them how it's going to look, how it's used, etc. So pretty incredible. And as you can see, the finishing on these wands are absolutely incredible. They look amazing, and you can do all of that by simply just making sure that your store has a good look. Like this person has this, yellow to red ratio theme styling with a very default custom looking, payout page, etc. And if we were actually to go to this person's website, you can simply go over to flamingwand.com, and once you come here, look at this. So world's first real fireball shooting wand. So this wand actually shoots fire. Look at that. How incredible is that? Then obviously there's one-click ignition, and as you can see, this wand is for around $60. Okay, that's a pretty hefty price, but obviously I'd say Harry Potter fans will definitely go for it. And there's different houses for it as well. So Hufflepuff, you have different types of things. So you could go with different styles as well if you want to. So we have Voldemort. Okay, then we have this style. We have this style. There's the Harry Potter style. There's the Dumbledore style, Voldemort style, Snape style, and a whole lot more. So, it's all pretty cool, and, it just gives you a proper lookout on how this person chose to create things. And if you go over to Shop the Real Flaming Wand, as you can see, this person only has one product with different variants on it. And this product basically gives this person $350,000 of profit. So, that I'd say is one of the most incredible and coolest things you can get when it comes to a Shopify store's creation. So, just like this, like I told you, go ahead and connect yourself to some AliExpress provider, preferably Deezer's because it is the most used. And once you've connected yourself to them, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to your online store, get into your styling, get into some good, individualities of the store, choose different colors that match the theme. As you can see, this person has chosen a very Gryffindor theme because Gryffindor is mostly red and yellow. And most people obviously go with Gryffindor because Harry Potter was a part of Gryffindor. So, just like this, you have to manage all the niches, and you have to manage all the different individualities of some niche that you want to originate out of your product. Okay, so just like this, create some good stuff for yourself and get some good revenue and generation from your Shopify store. So yeah, this is basically how you yourself can make a lot of good profit, even up to $350,000, just like this person. And obviously you can go ahead and get a good idea by checking this guy's forum out on Black Hat World. Okay, so just check out what he gives you, and get the tips on what he shows you. And I feel like a lot of new store creators out there can get a lot of great inspiration from this person. So do make sure to check it out and get good revenue generated. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know down in the comments below, what is the niche that you think is going to work for you? What great idea do you think will actually pop off on your Shopify store? So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I hope to see all of you in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. Goodbye.